Hello, today we are going to be working out fractions of a whole number. Before we start, let's just remind ourselves that the bottom number in a fraction we call the denominator and the top number we call the numerator. There is a really easy rule that will help us to work out fractions of a whole number, and it is to divide by the denominator and multiply by our numerator. Let me now show you what that looks like. So I'm going to divide by our denominator. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 5. And I'm going to use repeated addition to solve that. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30. And then I count the jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that gives me my answer. I'm now going to take that answer 6 and multiply it by my numerator. So I'm going to do 6. So I'm going to do 6 times 2. And 6 times 2 equals 12. And that is our answer. So 2/5 of 30 is 12. And I work that out by simply dividing by our denominator and multiplying by our numerator. So let me just recap. We divide by the denominator and multiply the numerator. So if I had 3/4 of 16, I'd do 16 divided by 4, our denominator, and I'd use repeated addition to work that out. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16, so that's 4 jumps. And then I'd take that 4 and I'd times it by our numerator. So I'd do 4 times 3. And I know that that equals 12. So the answer again would be 12. Just remember, you divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator.